everybody. This is Uptown Swing, so jazz classic moves. These are the classic moves we did. We did skating, and it went like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go back if you want to. 4 is the more classic move. I really wanted you guys to do a little bit like a collect before you go, so you don't just go. Yeah, that's a lot. Then we did tracking. Went like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did fishtail. Hey, 1, hey, hey. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could do tracking out of it because you move 1 and 4. And then we started moves that start on 8. And we started with a very simple one. It's just knee slaps. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you bounce on each count and it's not 8, 1, 2, 3. That looks out. We then did follow the log. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we practice this a bunch. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And then we did taking of it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put them together in different combos and then spun the bunch. And then at the very end, we had a very athletic exercise of kickball changes. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Practice it on different sides, so try left. So you don't just like only do it on the right all the time, so you can try it on the left. And again, you want to keep that consistent bounce so it doesn't go up and down, up and down. You only go down. Yeah? So you go down and kick. Practice that bunch, that's your homework. Bye.